Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in to XNES's Market Outlook. Joining us today to give us his insights and possible ideas for trades this week is Stanislav Bernakov. Thank you very much, Stan, for being here.
Hello, Michael. Thank you for having me today.
What's the key idea then this week, or possibly more than one idea, that might be in the focus of traders?
Today I'm focusing on a rebound of tech stocks because we're in the middle of earnings season, and I think that might be a pivot point during this week. So if we take a look at the chart of NASDAQ, which is US Tech Index, we see that it started to rebound from the support below, and we have the engulfing candlestick pattern, which is usually a strong reversal sign. Also, you see stochastics is moving up, and I guess that might be the beginning of the potential upswing that we see here. Also, I will take a note that the relationship between energy sector and the tech sector, which is a spread between these two sectors, is above the 20-day Bollinger, which is the overbought condition. Usually, this spread or this relationship may move down, initiating or provoking the pullback for tech stocks. So that's from the technical part. And also we have earnings, as you see this week. So we have a bunch of companies reporting their earnings. For example, Tesla tomorrow. We have Netflix after market close on Tuesday, and many other companies. Usually when we have good, solid earnings reports published, that is usually a good sign for the stock market.
And so the key narrative then that we've got driving this possible move is going to be earnings reports. What about the economic calendar for this week? Do you think there are any significant releases that traders are going to be focusing on and which might possibly cause volatility in markets?
Yeah, the economic calendar is pretty much full of different events, such as, for example, CPI numbers for Canada, or some news for Eurozone, for United States. But most important, I think, is the scheduled speeches of Fed speakers. There are, I guess, around 3 scheduled speeches for this week, and usually that creates some activity in the markets more than anything else.
Thanks, Stan. And so the key idea for this week then is the possible move up by the NASDAQ symbol US Tech. And the main narratives driving that are the earnings reports from major tech companies this week and the spread between the energy and the tech sector. And traders need to be aware this week on the economic calendar that there's a number of releases of regular data, and primarily there are speeches by senior members of the Federal Reserve System. So thanks very much, Stan, for joining us today and giving us your valuable insights.
Thank you, Michael. Have a good trading week, everyone.
And we wish you all successful and responsible trading.